Hi there. Let's talk some more about strings in JavaScript. Sometimes we need to include special characters in our strings that can't be added directly. For instance, let's say we want to print a quote in the console. Carpe diem by Horace. So maybe you would try something like this. Console log, double quotes again, Carpe diem by Horace. And we run into a syntax error. Why is this? Because nesting double quotes in JavaScript is not correct syntax. However, there are a few simple ways to fix this. Let's add an escape character before the nested double quotes. I am going to copy this line and add backslash before the nested double quotes like this. And the syntax error is gone now. We can also achieve this without the escape character by embedding double quotes inside single quotes or backticks like this. I am going to copy this line again and switch the string delimiter to single quotes. And now let's do the same thing but with backticks. All these examples work. Here are a few other escape characters: single quote, double quote, backslash, new line, carriage return, tab, and backspace. And let's see some of these in action. Console log. Let's make a new line. Here, we should use backslash before the embedded single quote and to make a new line. Here's another example. Console log. We learn how to use backslash to escape characters. And here, we should use an escape character to display a backslash like this. I hope this gives you a feel for how escape characters work. JavaScript provides a bunch of building functions and properties to make working with strings easier. One of the most commonly used is assessing the length of a string. Let's try to check how many characters a string has. For example, let greeting equals hello world. And now console log greeting dot length, the output is 12. To assess a specific character in a string, you can use the charAt method. Console log greeting dot charAt free prints out L. Remember, JavaScript uses zero-based indexing, so charAt free gives us the fourth character, 0, 1, 2, 3. Other useful methods include converting a string to uppercase or lowercase. For example, console log greeting to uppercase and console log greeting to lowercase. JavaScript provides numerous methods for manipulating strings. While you don't have to remember all of them, it's helpful to know that you can always refer to the JavaScript documentation to explore and learn more about string manipulation methods. You can find more information about strings in the JavaScript documentation. Let's check out the starts with method from the documentation. The starts with method of string values determines wherever this string begins with the characters of specified string, returning true or false as appropriate. Here's an example. And in this example, we are checking if the string Saturday night plans starts with sat and the result is true. If we start searching at index 3, The result is false.